If you've been putting off dealing with that cracked concrete, now might be the time to tackle that project. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner. Stay tuned and we'll talk about why you want to get it done before winter arrives right after this. Are you tired of cleaning your shower? Let Wet and Forget Shower clean it for you. Wet and Forget is the quickest, easiest way to keep your shower sparkling clean. Just spray the shower top to bottom and you're done. The next morning, simply rinse it clean. That's it. Use Wet and Forget Shower once a week to tackle soap scum, shower grime, mold, and mildew stains. No scrubbing, no bleach, and no harsh fumes. Don't waste time scrubbing your shower. Pick up a bottle of Wet and Forget Shower at the Home Depot or Lowe's. Visit wetandforget.com for a store near you. The problem with cracked concrete is that over time, those small cracks can turn into bigger problems. The water that fills them erodes the base beneath the slab, and when the temperatures drop, that water freezes and expands, making the crack worse. The immediate solution is to fill the crack with concrete repair caulk to stop the water. The long-term fix is to patch it with concrete resurfacer. In either case, you'll need to clean the slab and the cracks first. The concrete resurfacer is mixed with water, much like cement, but the resulting material is more fluid, so it flows into gaps and cracks to level them out. Once it dries, the same material can be spread thinly over the whole surface with a squeegee to disguise the repair. I'm Danny Lipford with tips for today's homeowner.